Hey, how's it going? My name is Dylan, and I'm the National Sales Manager here with Albuild Systems. I'm not an installer, but today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install our FM3 VHV over mineral wool insulation. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pre-drill in the valleys of the corrugations. So before you start pre-drilling the hat channels, you want to make sure what your fastening patterns are per the design. Now today we're going to be installing over Owens Corning's thermofiber. Now when you're doing that with our FM3 VHV, you're going to want to make sure that you're setting your drill gun so you're not overdriving your screws and compressing too much on that board. Because it's a compressive product, but it's very stiff, as you can see right here. Not a lot of compression just with my hand.